let's see what is inside the bomb bag. So what it should have is, let's take a look. Right, so this one's some liquid. This is some sort of acid. And acid comes from your vinegar. Basically, these are vinegar. And a bag of powder. And this powder are basically your baking powder. Okay. These are baking powder. When your vinegar touches your baking powder, then what happens is you produce a lot of carbon dioxide, and then you actually the gas will get more and more, and then this thing will bulge out, and then the plastic will not be able to take it. Eventually you explode.